Hello fan collectors. What I have here is a 1990 Hunter original ceiling fan. It's all white, and I got this from a place that I was helped renovating. Hey, I got two of them, but really the other one still is in work in progress. I need blade irons for it. But this one's pretty nice. I had to buy some oil for it. It's Zoot type. And this is a very good fan. Pretty soon I might have to replace the canopy. Okay, let's start off on high. That's medium. To low. One thing about these older originals, when they're on low, it really goes on low. And this type is the reversible. So let's go and get ready and reverse it. Right here. Back on high. Now you can really fit that air blow. Back on medium. Low. Hope you enjoy it.